Every day hoping for your next message. Even I know that nothing you gotta say. Somehow you're holding back my bad romance. You made your statement, you made me silent.